Here we will walk you through the specific steps of how to AirDrop from iPhone to Mac or vice versa. Part 1. How to AirDrop from iPhone to Mac. Step 1. Toggle on AirDrop on your iPhone and Mac. On iPhone, pull down the screen on your iPhone to access the control center. Press and hold the square with the Wi-Fi icon to open more options. Switch on the AirDrop, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi options. Choose contacts only or everyone to make your device discoverable. On Mac, launch Finder on your Mac and click Go AirDrop on the sidebar. Check the Allow Me to be discovered by option and select Contacts Only or Everyone. Step 2. Wait until your Mac's name appears on the iPhone's AirDrop list. Step 3. Let's take a video as an example. Here is how to AirDrop videos from iPhone to Mac. Open the Photos app and select the wanted videos to transfer. Tap the share icon, AirDrop your Mac's name. A transfer request will pop up on the Mac. Simply click Accept to begin transferring the file. Once the transfer is complete, the file will appear in the Downloads folder on the Mac. Part 2. How to AirDrop from a Mac to an iPhone. Step 1. Turn on AirDrop Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices. Step 2. On your Mac, select the file or photo you want to transfer. Right-click on the file and choose Share AirDrop. Step 3. In the pop-up AirDrop window, select your iPhone device. Step 4. On your iPhone, confirm the file transfer by tapping Accept. The file will be saved to your photo library, folder, or the corresponding app, depending on the file type.